Do you ever feel like your computer is running slow on you? If that's true, you might want to put more memory. This laptop right here is from year 2017, and I'm just going to put some DDR4 RAM. It has 8 gigabytes built in, but today I'm going to put 16 gigabytes. Hey guys, this is Sonic. Today I'm going to show you how to put new memory in your laptop. Okay, let's get to it. Alright, I've got a LG laptop here, as you can see. So first, you just want to take all the screws out. So I just flip it, and then you see, okay, I already unscrewed them, and then you just remove these little rubbers. Okay, let me just do that. Take a little knife, and then you just pull it apart. Not too difficult. Alright. Yeah. Well, don't worry about damaging the rubber. Even if you do, it's not that expensive. So now I just gotta get rid of all these screws.
So you just do it one by one. Nice and easy. Nothing difficult, right?
Yeah. Just get it out of the way. Alright. Okay. Last screw. Okay. Okay. All right. Took everything off. Okay. So now, it's best if you have one of these little plastic things. You call them Heros. Okay, and then you can just easily pry it open. So this is the best spot. You see how there's a little bit of crack here? So I just put it over here, and then you just pull it. Yeah, you just pull against it. Do the same on the other side. Okay, nice and easy. Okay, nothing damaging. Okay, okay. Then you can pretty much open it like this. Don't worry, it's probably not gonna break, but you do want to be careful. Okay. So now, it looks kind of like this. And it should be pretty similar on other laptops also. And the first thing you want to do is cut off the battery so you don't get any leftover power, and you might get some you might get shocked or something. You might get some static, so you just want to remove this. Okay, so you just pull it. Yeah, you just pull it. That's it. And now, this is where the memory goes. You can pretty much tell this is the only spot. You can pretty much tell this is the only place where you can really fit anything here. So, okay. This is the memory I just bought. And, okay, this is the memory that I just bought. And I'm just going to put it in there. You do want to be sure that your RAM does not have any static. If it's already wrapped in foil, you can be pretty sure that it doesn't have any static. So I'm just gonna pull it out and then just put it in. You see there's a long side and a short side, and you just push it in. Okay, just push it in, and then you want to push down until you hear the click sound. Ooh, shit. Okay, that wasn't smooth, but yeah, I got it in there. So yeah, you're pretty much done. And you want to plug your battery back in. So you just want to push that in. And then you're pretty much done. All right, now I just put the plastic cover back on top. Right, and then you're pretty much done. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, whatever, comment. I'll see you around.